bata pa lang tayo, ang idea natin ng regalo ay toys, magagandang damit, and cool gadgets. But eventually, we grew up. Ngayon, ang wish natin matanggap tuwing Pasko ay forgiveness sa mga nagawa natin ng kasalanan, freedom from pain and suffering, oras kasamang mga mahal natin sa buhay, at syempre, love. Ngayong Pasko, ano ba ang tunay na regalo na tunay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo?
Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo?
Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo.
At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at
Umaasa pa rin ako.
muling makita ka,
At magkasama
sa
ka.
araw ng Pasko.
Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts, and may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
Maneuvers, Mr. Jackie Wu, Johnny and Sean of Anak Ko Yan, Rance Valerio, and of course, Mr. Jose Marichan. Okay, now, judges, Mr. Jano and Miss Pops, is there anything that you want to say?
I think iba yung approach naman ng tropang trending. Napansin namin medyo hindi sila kasing dami ng mga production numbers. Pero I think dinaan nila sa kwento. Alam mo naman pag Pasko, di ba lahat tayo very emotional, very sentimental. I think they try to do that through their songs and the kwento of the whole production number. Which worked because naluha si Jaya, nasenti ako, di ba?
Medyo naging emotional ako. And the fact that you have Mr. Jose Marichan singing a beautiful Christmas song na talagang sa kanya naman nakilala yun eh. So, ang galing ko, konti lang yung ganap, pero masyadong matimbang talaga sa puso yung meaning. So, congrats guys, ang galing ninyo.
Napaiyak nyo kami, lalo na yung si Christian tsaka si Francesca.
Yun, oo.
Bago love team ba yun?
Maxine!
Bago love team ba, Christian?
Si Barbie, no, nakakaawa. Naiwan na siya di ba? Doon sa mga ampunan. Siya na lang na yun. Maganda.
Tsaka yung reactions din ni Maxine na naiiwan na siya, parang wala na siyang aalagaan.
Si Max.
It was really nice.
Si Max ba? Si Max, okay. Si Jackie Wu. Jackie Wu, sumasayaw, Si Jackie Wu Blanco. Yan po ang apelyido niya, Jackie Wu Blanco. Mr. John Marichan, thank you.
Thank you.
At tanungin din natin si Mr. John Marichan, what did you think of
The number,
group?
yeah.
I was speechless. I couldn't believe that I wrote those songs. Ang ganda ng pagkanta nila.
Salamat po.
Talagang napaiyak ng tropa.